Welcome to Koko's Forest Adventure. Tonight's story, Hoppy's Cleaning Adventure.
欢迎来到Koko的森林冒险。今晚的故事叫做《跳跳的清洁冒险》。
Are you ready? Let's begin. Sunlight filled the forest today.
Koko was gathering berries near the stream.
The water sparkled like tiny diamonds.
Koko hummed a little tune as she worked.
She spotted Hoppy sitting alone nearby.
Hi, Hoppy. What are you doing? Asked Koko.
Hoppy looked up with big round eyes.
I have something to tell you, said Hoppy.
The other animals were playing together.
Hoppy stood far away, watching them.
She wished she could join the fun.
But what if they do not want me?
Koko walked over to Hoppy.
Hey! Come play with us, said Koko.
Hoppy hesitated for a moment.
Are you sure? Asked Hoppy softly.
Koko and Hoppy tried something new.
Watch me first, said Koko gently.
Koko showed Hoppy how to do it.
She moved slowly so Hoppy could see.
Now you try, said Koko with a smile.
Hoppy took a deep breath.
The first try was not perfect.
That is okay. Try again, said Koko.
Hoppy tried once more with all her heart.
Something was starting to change.
A little spark of hope appeared. They kept walking through the forest.
The trees grew taller all around them.
Do you hear that? Whispered Hoppy.
A soft sound came from far away.
It sounds like the river, said Koko.
They followed the sound together.
A butterfly landed on a nearby flower.
Both friends watched it for a moment.
Let us keep going, said Hoppy.
Koko nodded and took Hoppy's hand.
Something beautiful appeared before them.
Look at that, whispered Hoppy.
Golden light filled the air around them.
Koko and Hoppy held hands.
This is the best day ever, said Hoppy.
And we found it together, said Koko.
The forest seemed to glow all around.
They sat together and watched in wonder.
Some moments are too beautiful for words. Koko and Hoppy sat by the stream.
The water sang a soft, gentle song.
I will remember this day, said Hoppy.
Me too, said Koko. Always.
Fireflies began to dance around them. Koko looked at Hoppy one more time.
Nature teaches us if we pay attention.
Hoppy nodded slowly. It was true.
Some lessons you feel deep in your heart.
The forest wrapped them in gentle quiet. Let's learn our 3 words from today.
Word 1, clean.
Koko and Hoppy found something clean.
Word 2, tidy.
Hoppy was tidy in the big forest.
Word 3, sparkle.
Koko and Hoppy found something sparkle. Great job, little friends.
You learned 3 new words today.
Nature teaches us if we pay attention.
Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams, little friends. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe.
晚安，小朋友。喜欢今天的故事吗？请按赞订阅我们的频道。
New stories every week. See you next time.